Lesson of the blues project on BandLab, and we're going to be looking at doing chords today. So you need to open your project from before where you have your bass line written in there. And what I have done is I've actually changed my bass line to actually put it on a bass sound. We had it on piano last week, so you can choose all of these as your original, and then you can choose a subsection in there as well. So I'm going to choose bass and 62p bass, okay, which gives you this sound. Okay, so our bass line now sounds like this. But if you want a different sound bass, you can have a different sound bass. Okay, so I've also added myself a second instrument. So I went up to add track, added myself a second instrument in there, and then I've chosen piano and Rhodes piano, which sounds like this. Now, because we're playing chords, we need to use the keyboard piano. So what I can do by pressing Z, C and B, I can actually play them all at once. So we're going to have a go at recording them. So when you have a C, when you were playing a C on your bass line, you have a C chord. When you're playing an F, you can see it moves higher to F here for 8. You then move to F, which is V, N and comma. Okay, so it's fairly straightforward. Let's give this a go. Okay, I've got my metronome on, I've got my counting. Here we go. Let's see if this works. For some reason, I can't get the piano to record like that. I can play it once I've pressed that. I wonder if I have to do that first. Okay, this is a cheats way of doing it, I think. I'm just going to give myself a bar to see if I can do it a different way. Let's go back onto instrument 2. Okay, so what I did there was, if we can bring those notes up, it seems like to get the keyboard to work on here, you have to press it with the note with the mouse first, and then it works. So if you can see from these notes here, I did a little test of that one, and now I can go and just highlight them and backspace. Now if I wanted to, I can now move that, just doing there, up to there, and move them both back. So now let's have a listen to that. That sounds all right. One thing I haven't done, and hopefully some of you will have noticed, is I forgot to quantize the piano parts. Okay, so if you remember, you grab, I can't seem to grab that one, grab all the notes, I'm going to try again, backwards, and then I go to this, I go to a quarter note, and I go to quantize. Okay, so that is how to do the second part, the chords. Now, one thing you can do to make it a bit more interesting, if I add another instrument here, I'm going to add another keyboard, another MIDI instrument, sorry. What I am going to do is put that on a different sound, a quite fancy guitar sound, maybe an electric guitar. Let's try funk guitar, see what that sounds like. Actually, that doesn't sound like proper notes. There we go. So, if you wanted to do that and actually jazz the chords up a little bit more, I'm going to mute this one, I'm going to press M, and now I'm going to record on this one, again, I should have left that there, shouldn't I? So that I can test the notes first. And I'm going to try doing, let's try that, that's better. I've just put it up the octave to make it a bit higher. I'm going to try and put a bit more of a boogie rhythm in there. Not quite sure how long I can keep that up for, I might have to copy it. So here we go, give it a try. Right, I seem to have got on a loop somehow. Ah, there we go. But you get the idea. So if I play from the beginning now, I put the other instrument back in. So it just gives it a little bit more rhythm. You could, on the F chord, for example, let's try an F chord. You could do a rhythm like that. So let's record that for the F chord. Still managed to have it on loop. How do I start recording that? Okay, I think you get the idea. I'm having a little bit of a problem with my looping, but I'll try and figure that out for next time. So you should have the bass line, that was lesson 1, the piano part, the chord part, lesson 2, and as an extension, if you can decorate, change the rhythm in that piano part or guitar, it sounds a little bit more interesting. And next week we'll look at the walking bass line. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.